starts with a love of classic cars and old-timers. We are a member of the Classic Car Club Romania as a rally organizer. This classic car rally brings us together, and we are united in our love and passion for classic cars. In 2022, we had the honor of organizing various rallies throughout Romania, particularly in Transylvania. There were 183 teams in total, 138 of which were unique, 98 special challenges in total, 236 timing points, and a total route length of 1,347 kilometers. 99 checkpoints were saved, and participants covered 61,060 kilometers in events. The oldest cars competing in regular rallies in Romania were present at our events. For example, categories C and D in the championship were only cars present. See you in 2023 at one of our events.